Hey you guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a wall decor, an accent wall actually is what I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be using. I am in my son's room, I'm doing his room over, so for those of you who have me on the family channel, you know that I'm making his whole room over. I'm going to be using this that I got from Lowe's. It's from Jonathan and his brother Scott. If you guys watch HGTV, you know them very well, but this is their brand. I got it from Lowe's. It was $45 for one pack. So I bought two, but let's see if this is gonna be enough to do his wall. So literally all I'm gonna be using is the wallpaper and also this to cut and to make sure it's smooth. I originally wanted to do the peel and stick that I did on the bathroom floor, but I wasn't sure if that was gonna hold good on the wall. I didn't want it to like drop on him while he's sleeping, and plus I wanted something that was a little bit easier and faster to do. So I figured wallpaper would be the great option for this project. So let's get right into the video.
You guys, I am so sorry. When I started doing the project, I didn't realize that you guys couldn't see what I was doing all the way at the top over there because my camera wasn't close enough. But literally all I did to start was peel the contact paper back and then place it onto the wall.
Oh, y'all couldn't even see up there. I'm so sorry. So basically what I did was, as I peeled the top, I used this to like smooth it out. Let me see if I can let me get this up a little bit.
So here is a better view of what I was doing. Is you see me just pressing onto the wallpaper. So you just peel the wallpaper back, and as you're peeling it back, you got to make sure that you're smoothing it out to get rid of any bubbles and any imperfections. So make sure that you press on it really hard. If you don't have this tool that I'm using, you can use a credit card or any type of card that you have, just to press on the wall to make sure that the wallpaper is smooth and flat, and make sure that it looks as smooth as possible. And make sure when you're peeling the wallpaper back that you don't peel too much at a time. Peel it little by little as you go, and then smooth it. It'll make it a lot easier for you, and you'll have better results that way. This contact paper definitely was pricey, but it is worth it. This wallpaper, I'm sorry, it is definitely worth it. It was, even though it was $45, I gotta say, as hard as I was pressing on it, it did not rip at all, except when I used my blade to cut it. It cut easily, but it did not rip, and it's also textured. So if you're looking for something that has like the real feel, it really felt like brick. So if you rubbed your hands through on the wall, it felt like it was actual brick. So this wallpaper definitely worth it, and I'm even looking to get some more in a different design but the same brand. So definitely worth it if you are looking to have a accent wall and do it real fast without having to go through putting nails in your walls. Definitely, I would definitely recommend this.
I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be. Oh, all my close to me, and all the mother niggas where they supposed to pay. Oh, the whole go for me. How your chicks in the pit like post for me. Oh, that's how I supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I supposed to be. Everything look like it's supposed to be. Pull up to the club and it go up. Make your girl fall in love when I show up. It's not my fault, she wanna know me. She told me you was just a hummer. She came down like she knew me. Gave it up like a groupie. And that's facts, no printer. Cold, turn the summer to the winter. She saved me in her phone at bestie, but I had her screaming, oh. Yo girl, wasn't supposed to text me. You wanna know how I know what I know? If your chick come close to me, she ain't going home when she supposed to pay. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be. Oh, all my close to me, and all the mother niggas where they supposed to pay. Oh, hoe go for me. How your chicks in the pic like pose for me. That's how I supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I supposed to be. Everything good like it's supposed to be.
Got your girl in my section finna go up. Smoking loud, I'm about to roll up. She ain't never got high like this with a guy like this. When she pop it, tell her hold up.
Better believe she gon' leave with a real. I dick her down, can't put it down like I do. I get the bus and no discussion, gotta deal with it. Team, I swing, where about you? Does she road? Yeah, yeah. When I hit it, I'ma kill it like where does she road? You wanna know how I know what I know?
If y'all do come close to me, he gon' wanna ride off and it goes for me. I'll make him do it. I might let your boy show for me, but he gotta eat the booty like groceries. But he gotta get rid of these to me. I might head up selling his soul for me. Ooh, that's how it's supposed to be. If he wants me to expose the freak, ooh, that's how it's supposed to be. Ooh, that's how it's supposed to be. Ooh, that's how it's supposed to be. Everything good like it's supposed to be.
If your chick come close to me, she ain't going home when she supposed to be. Getting money like I'm supposed to be. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be. Getting money, all my close to me. And all the mother knew where they supposed to be. The hoe go for me. How your chicks in the pic like pose for me. That's how I supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I supposed to be. Everything good like it's supposed to be. She about to ride me, and I don't even know her name, but I know that she your girl. Yeah. She chose up, are you mad or no? Bro, don't be mad about it. He shakes me for everybody. Miriam, sea breezy.
I'll make him do it. I'll make him do it.
I just been here. Thank you. Eat your food.
Thank you.
And no more.
No more. All right, y'all. So it's hard for me to show you guys as I go because my camera is like all the way back there. But this is how the first layer looks. I kind of just cut it at the bottom where the wall stops, and then that's how the top looks. So I'm just gonna repeat what I just did from the top all the way to the bottom until I finish the rest of the wall. Okay.
That's right.
Cause baby, you here with me. You ain't gotta ever go. You can tell them if they wanna know. And if anybody wanna know, you were the boss, motherfucker. You ain't a boss, motherfucker. Yeah, you ain't a boss, motherfucker. Tell them if they wanna know. If they ask, you can let them know. Tell them I'm a boss, mama. Ever seen a presidential suite before? So come on in the morning, I'll be drowning. You be Marilyn Monroe. Oh, it's the way I see you, baby girl. You're legendary, beautiful. And as long as you're around me, girl, then everybody else will know.
Can you guys see? Well, the outlet. I'll get you guys closer. We have the outlet right there. I'm literally just gonna cut around it. Okay.
Gonna cock the pad at this state.
Everybody wanna know. Flowing up the boss, motherfucker.
Flowing with a barrel, time for some action. Safe combination, keys to the mansion. Still a hood, flight reservations. Blowing out your candles, fat boy straight caking. She deserve a real one. Now you for the real one. Walk with a real one. This a whole nother feeling. Then we like we both mad. Better than we ever both had.
Okay, you guys, so this is what the wall is looking like at the end. I finished everything, and over there, of course, I'm missing like a little piece right there. Ah! What happened? Oh, I'm missing like a little piece right there. So eventually I'll get a little piece to cover that, but for now, I don't think it's gonna show because the nightstand's gonna go there, but just so y'all can see the imperfection. But everything else, I think it came out really good. So it looks really good. It didn't even take me that long. It took me less than an hour, maybe like 25 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, I don't know. But it didn't take that long, and it was so easy to just put it on the wall. And for the outlet, I literally just cut out where, like I cut around it, as you can see. I wasn't able to film while I was doing it, but I literally just, as the paper came down, I just cut it around, like around the box, and then just like peeled, like, you know, made it sit on the wall around it. But this is it. You guys can definitely do this. Oh, what happened to my light? But I'm sorry, it's late at night, but my light is also. You guys can definitely do this yourself. Thank you for watching, and if you did like this, make sure you subscribe. Oh, light back on. Subscribe to the channel. But bye. Let me back up. Yeah, so that's my little accent wall. Alrighty.